Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pistachio mousse. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of shelled pistachios, half a cup of sugar, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready and at room temperature ensures a smooth process and a delicious, airy mousse. This preparation step is key for success. Next, we'll create our flavorful pistachio paste. Start by blanching 1 cup of shelled pistachios in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then peel them. This step enhances their vibrant green color. Now, blend these peeled pistachios with 1/4 cup of sugar until you have a very fine, smooth paste. If it's too thick, add up to 2 tablespoons of water to reach the perfect consistency. Now, let's build the rich mousse base. In a double boiler, whisk 2 egg yolks with 1/4 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes thick and pale. This creates a stable foundation for our mousse. Carefully fold in your delicious pistachio paste until it's fully incorporated. It's crucial to let this base cool completely before moving on, ensuring your mousse sets perfectly. For the grand finale, we'll add airiness and lightness. Whip 1 cup of heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks, then gently fold it into your cooled pistachio base. In a separate clean bowl, whip 2 egg whites to soft peaks and carefully fold them into the mixture. Divide the mousse into individual serving dishes and chill for a minimum of 4 hours. Enjoy your homemade pistachio mousse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.